Hi friends, I am back with another video. Today we are going to start with our NX practice video sessions. In the introduction part, I have told you everything about the NX, how NX is working. And today I have prepared this figure. Today we are going to make this figure to practice our lines. Start a new. We are making a model. Okay. So today we how to start sketch. Not from this sketch, we will start insert sketch in task environment. Okay, and after that it will ask us to select a plane on which we are going to sketch. So I'm selecting this plane and okay. Fine. Now in today's session we will understand line, rapid dimension, and geometric constraints. These two are important, and from these today we are going to consider our lines, or you can say profile. Both are similar. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time and choosing line at 0 0 sketch horizon. Okay, and if you have 2 3 points near there and you select that point to make start your drawing, it will ask it like this: choose from here. So sketch horizon, that is center point, a straight line. Okay, I have committed a mistake here. Can you tell me what? Yes, I did. I haven't turned off these infinite constraints and continuous dimensioning. Always remember when you open sketches, first of all you have to turn off these two and take a line uh, like this, and from here I'm making this, um, okay. Now you have seen like in Katia, I have made all the points to points, but these are not connected. Every single line is disconnected and this is not a closed figure. So to make a closed figure, we have geometric constraints. First I will take geometric constraints. Here I will take this horizontal. I will make it horizontal. This one would be horizontal. This one would be horizontal. Then okay, and then vertical. This and this are verticals. Now this is coincide, intersect, tangent, concentric, collinear, then midpoints, horizontal and perpendicular, equal, and equal radii. So for lines we need only coincident today. This endpoint, select this and sketch horizon. Then line 2 endpoint, start point, then line 1 endpoint, connected. One thing remember, if you select first this and second this will line come to here. If you select 1 and 2, then this will go to there like this, 1 and 2. Okay, I have turned on this auto selection. That's why I'm selecting. If it is not turned on, then you have to select this and go to second and select this. Okay, similarly select this, go to second and select this line. Similarly select this, go to second and select this line. Done. In this will not happen. Okay, but we need here. Let's close this. We have done with this. Now dimensions. This is every dimension I am taking rapidly. Select this. Let us give a length of 70 mm, and by default it is mm always. This length here we can give it 20. This length we can give it 35, and this one we can give this to be 25. This one let it give 10. Then escape. Okay, all the dimensions are given. And now we will have to sorry, select this and this axis. It will give you angle. Here you can change the angle. I'm giving it 30. Okay, close. We need to decrease this length. Double click and you can decrease it to no, let it be 70 only and escape. Let it be 40. Fine. And now we have quick extend. I told you we can extend this. Okay, we don't have it. Fine. This is done. Now we have to complete this. Okay, we don't have any line here. That's why it is not extending. We can make horizontal distance to it. Rapid dimension, linear dimension. This point and this axis, we can mention it here. That is 0 and cross. Now it is done. Okay, now in this session we have learned about our lines and our dimensions. Right now I don't need dimension and our geometric constraints. These are the constraints, and now this same figure can be made by our profile. First, I need to close this figure. For that, we have here lot of commands. Mirror cover, select curve, okay. Then center line. I'm selecting our z-axis and okay. The figure is like this. If now I finish it, it will be seen like this. A closed figure is you have. Okay, this distance can be decreased accordingly. Let it be 20 only. 15 I have reduced, so it will be 55 and finish. It won't change there. Okay. The same figure can be made by profile also. Let me show how. Select goal and delete. Okay. Now again insert sketch in environment, which plane, wait a second, finish this and delete this sketch. Now insert sketch in environment, same plane. Okay. Now take profile, linear profile, here, 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 and here. Close. You can see a lot of dimensions are there because I haven't turned off that. So let it be. We can now choose mirror curve, selective curve, and then center line, and OK, finish. You will get the same figure. So today we have done with our two commands plus dimension and geometry plus mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 commands are covered from the sketchup. In the next video we will cover our other commands like circle, arcs, rectangle. All those commands would be there. And what else we have? We have all these commands and dressings like mirror, pattern and all those. Offset and other commands will also be there. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. We will meet in another video.